I'm Amanda Blake. I play the other woman in this show, a catty sort of person. The kind of role that most actresses object to, but I want to play Margot. First, because I think she's an interesting character, and secondly, because the series is being produced by a woman, Joan Harrison. You know, I didn't think I'd enjoy working for a woman producer, but Joan is different. She doesn't take advantage of the fact that she's a woman, but she never forgets she is one. Oh, here she is. Hello, Joan. I hope you heard all the nice things I was saying about you.
I did. And I don't believe a word of it.
Why not?
Because you're a nasty, predatory female, and all women have to beware of you.
Oh, that's only when I'm being Margot. I'm really a very nice girl. But seriously, Joan, I think the story that we're doing is quite out of the ordinary. Why don't you tell the audience a little about it?
Well, it's a story that happens on a Sunday night. For me and most of my friends, Sunday night's the nicest time in the week. On Saturday, you get all dressed up and go out. But Sunday's different.
I know. It's a fun time. It's when you can sit by the fire and talk or read or play records. Of course, for people who act morbid, like,
Margot, who's telling the story? You or I? As you were saying, for people who are unhappy, it can be a very lonely time. A time when unhappiness can seem almost unbearable. You can touch bottom on a Sunday night, like the girl in our story, Laurie Hillman.